Blue. Blue is the pure, bold color that forms the base of all other blues. Royal blue. Royal blue was worn by kings and queens because the dye was very expensive. Sky blue. Sky blue is the soft, cheerful blue you see in a cloudless sky. Navy blue. Navy blue shows trust and authority, often used in business suits. Teal. Teal is a mix of blue and green, like this water. Midnight blue. Midnight blue is very dark, almost like the night sky. Baby blue. Baby blue is the soft, gentle blue of a baby blanket. Cornflower blue. Cornflower blue is named after the bright blue flower. Ice blue. Ice blue is the color of glaciers and frost. Steel blue. Steel blue is a grayish blue, often used in industrial design. Which of these blues would you paint your room?